A very good morning to everyone. Students, today we will study the PDF exercises of the chapter Desert Animals of the Honeysuckle book. Let's start with the word meanings of this chapter. Your first word is scorching. Scorching means very hot. Second is gurgles, means mouse-like desert rodents with long hind legs. Third is dunes, heaps of sand formed by the wind. Fourth is pebbly. Pebbly means stony. Fifth, voles, small plant-eating rodents. Chipmunks means small ground squirrels having light and dark strips. Predator means an animal naturally preying on others. Eighth is amusing, interesting or enjoyable. Forage means search for food. Dodge means move quickly to avoid its enemy. Next is frame the sentences, and the first word is scorching. They walked all day in the scorching heat. Second is dunes. The car shot over the edge and landed in a sand dune. Third is pebbly. The beach is pebbly. Fourth is predator. Dragonflies were the main aerial predators. Amusing means she keeps a store of amusing stories in her head. Next is working with the text. Your first question is to answer the following statements with true or false. No animal can survive without water. True. Deserts are endless sand dunes. False. Most snakes are harmless. True. Snakes cannot hear but they can feel vibrations through the ground. True. Camels store water in their humps. False. Next is answer the following questions. How do desert animals survive without water? Desert animals cannot survive without water. They find different ways of coping with the harsh desert conditions. For example, gurvis spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows. Darkling beetles catch moisture on their legs and lift them into the air till the drops trickle down into their mouths. Second question is, how do mongooses kill snakes? Mongooses kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually make a nuisance of themselves, and after a while, when the snakes get tired, they quickly dive in for the kill. Third question is, how does the hump of the camels help them to survive when there is no water? When there is no water, the hump of a camel helps it by acting as a storage container. The hump is full of fat that nourishes the camel when food is scarce. Next is read the words or phrases in the box with your partner, find their meanings in the dictionary. And the words which are given: harsh conditions, harmless, survive, intruder, threatened, predators, prey, continually. All animals in forest and desert struggle to survive in harsh conditions. Though most of the animals are harmless, some are dangerous when threatened. If an intruder is noticed, they attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle continually for food and water. Some animals are called predators because they prey on other animals. Next is ask questions using the suitable form of the word in bracket. Okay. Which animal is the tallest? The word is tall. Which animal runs the fastest? Which place on the earth is the hottest or the coldest? Which animal is the largest? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which is the rainy place on earth? Which is the oldest living animal? Next is, most snakes are quite harmless, but a few are poisonous. Most snakes lay eggs, but the rattlesnake gives birth to its young. Now write 5 sentences like these using most and the clues below. 90% people of of people are honest, 10% are dishonest. Most people are honest, but about 10% are dishonest. Lots of fruits have plenty of sugar. Some citrus fruits are low in sugar. How will you write? Most fruits have plenty of sugar, but some citrus fruits are low sugar or have less sugar. Third sentence, every soft drink except this one has lots of empty calories. Most soft drinks have lots of empty calories, but this one does not have empty calories. Fourth sentence, the majority of films are romances, a few are on other topics. Most films are romances, but a few are on other topics. Fifth is, a majority of people agree that he is a good leader, just a few disagree. Most people agree that he is a good leader, but a few disagree. Next is, animals cannot survive for long without water. So desert animals have to find different ways of coping. The first sentence says what cannot happen or be done. The second tells us what must therefore be done, what is necessary to do. Complete these sentences using cannot and have to or has to. You cannot reach the island by land or air. You have to go by boat. Second sentence, we cannot see bacteria with our eyes. We have to look at them through a microscope. Third sentence, he cannot have a new bicycle now. He has to wait till next year. Old people often cannot hear very well. They have to use a hearing aid. Road users cannot do what they wish. They have to follow the traffic rules. She has to accept this decision. She cannot question it. You cannot believe everything you hear. You have to use your own judgment. These are the exercises. I hope you have understood it. Okay, students. Thank you.